So welcome back to the studio. We're in the final stages, step 12 of our poured acrylic jewelry. And what I'm attempting to do with the light box is get photographs of the jewelry. So the challenge with some of the jewelry is that with the metallic paint, it really needs some direct light, but of course you can see I'm getting a light on, it's getting the, the reflection of the light on the glass. And if I go this way, the earrings look really good, but then I can't see the pendant. So I may boost that pendant up just a little bit, and try that. So now that light is off of it. So sometimes it's better that I can do this lighting up in Photoshop, and sometimes not. So I'm going to try to find a happy medium. Between showing the qualities of both the earrings and the pendant and the right kind of lighting, and that looks pretty good. So I'm going to take that picture, and then I'll take another picture of the earrings because you can't even see the purple in it without the light basically going right there.